Guys, at CTK we're launching a program from this Monday. So in case you want to join us for the complete program, you can join us for the online program. Otherwise, if you want to go for only books, mock, shortcut, whichever program you want to join, just call the numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to help you out. Hi guys, today we'll talk about very important topic. It's kind of a low-hanging fruit. Yeah, low-hanging means we can be easily plugged. And the topic is very simple, AP-GP series. AP-GP series will be one question in almost every exam, right from CAT, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, CET, IFT, ZAT, whichever exam you're taking, one question most probably will be there from AP-GP series. Because panelists understand, the examiner understand that this is a topic which is normally ignored by everyone. Okay, so that's the main fundamental problem, one question. And I can bet on that, I can promise you that there will be one question of AP-GP in every exam. अगर नहीं आया तो मेरे को आके बोलना, टेल मी इफ इट नॉट कमिंग इन द एग्जाम, आई विल पर्सनली अपोलोजाइज टू यू और मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ और से कि दिस विल डेफिनेटली कम नेक्स्ट ईयर. फाइन, सी व्हाट आई कैन टेल यू इज हिस्टोरिकली बेस्ड यार, but what will happen in the future we don't know. The problem with AP-GP is people ignore that. Why? Because it's modern maths. Oh my god, this is modern maths. I don't touch modern maths. I was focused only on arithmetic. Most of the classes are focused on arithmetic numbers. By the time at work, time, speed, distance come, people quit. Okay, modern maths is a hidden target and AP-GP series is the biggest hidden target among them. Today I'm going to conduct the workshop on AP-GP series. So in case you are available, in the description box I given the Zoom link. 7 to 8 will be foundation, where I'm going to cover up mainly these formulas. That's it. AP-GP is this page here. That's it. These formulas are more than sufficient for AP-GP. 4 formula, 5 formula this side and 5 formula. 10 formulas you have to rectify. If you rectify these 10 formula, you are done. Sum of all the term, this and that, and that's your first homework today. Yeah, that's the first homework today. Just mug up the formulas. Just mug up the formula. Then when you come to the class, I'll explain you the background of that, and that's what I love to. That's why I keep a foundation lecture every day of quant. We keep a foundation lecture so that we can cover up the basics. To explain what is AP, what is GP, so that we click. Okay, so today we're doing AP series, tomorrow we're going to do GP series. So in case you want to attend, description box my number is a free workshop. In case you want to join our program, you can call the numbers or directly attend the workshop. The number also given somewhere on the screen, numbers will be posted there. Now coming to the AP-GP, now second part is depend on what kind of questions come in the exam. Now this is a foundation question which I'm going to cover up today, these kind of question, okay, which are it can be easily done with small. I just need to know the formula and I can solve the question, bingo. But when we go for the advanced level, in advanced level, pro level, these are the questions which are going to come. They look scary and this is a main fundamental problem in the CAT exam. One topic I can handle. Yeah, if you are giving me AP-GP, please teach me AP-GP and please ask the question of AP-GP in the exam. The problem, the fundamental problem is what they will do, they'll mix up the topic. Here for example is log and AP-GP combined together. And this is where मेरी फटनी चालू होती है. In that case, I need to know logs as well. I need to do AP-GP as well. That's why I can't teach you pro level today. Pro level will start from June onwards. Once we are done with a few topics, ratios and geometry, numbers and percentages, and that's where the problem starts. And this is where the CAT ka problem is. Okay. So in other words, if it's easy, I'm not saying the question is tough. I'm saying it's a multifunctional question. So for the time being, we're starting with the foundation level. So next 2 months, I want to cover up the complete basics for the maths exam. Fine, we'll do basic to medium level. Then medium to high level question we'll do from July onwards. थोड़ा बारिश आए दो, थोड़ा ठंडा होने दो, because right now the weather is hot, and if we do hot questions, the temperature might go high. Then you quit. So we will start that from July onward. Once in a week torture. Once in a week we'll pick up these kind of questions. जब मेरे को तुम 6 दिन खुश करने का, आखिरी दिन गाली गलौज करने का. This is what I normally do. Every year I'm doing that because there are few topics which you have to cover from July. Other classes might be covering up these topics, but they cover up in October, November. Just imagine, yaar, I tell you in October, November, whatever done the class is all foundation. Will not get more than 5-6 questions out of that. What we are doing now in October, November, that's the main thing. अरे अब बता रहा है यार, अब तो खत्म हो गया सब. So we'll do the same thing from July. Okay, once in a week torture, we'll go for the advanced level. For now is the basic level, foundation level, so that we do that. So foundation to medium. So 7 to 8 is basics, 8 to 9 is thoda sa high level, medium level, not very high level, trust me. Today is AP, tomorrow will be GP. with the promise that I'll clear all your fundamentals about APGP series. So those who hate maths, those who not yet started the preparation, please attend this workshop, today's workshop. And just do AP today. After class, I'll give you a few questions, just solve the few questions, sorted. Okay, don't need to do anything else. Fine. So this is the way we're going to prepare. So in case you want to join the program, complete program, you can call the numbers. Otherwise, just log in into the Zoom session, which is given in the description box at 7 p.m. today. All the best. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to our channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join the program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.